beauty, serenity, affordability, advancement, growth. Wouldn't you agree with me that these are some of the major boxes that a conducive living environment should tick? Yet one major city that has adequately ticked all of these boxes has consistently been overlooked due to the general negative beliefs. Well, if you would only stick around with me for a few minutes, then I will show you the impressive beauty of this city.
Ibadan ni mo wà o, Ibadan ni mo lọ. Ẹ wá ń dé kò fẹ́ balẹ̀ ilé o, Ibadan ni mo wà o.
Ibadan, the state capital of Oyo, the largest city in West Africa by landmass, the city that attracts and welcomes strangers irrespective of their place of origin. Of course, the home of brown robes. Located on 7 hills, about 100 miles from the Atlantic coast, this beautiful city has a very rich cultural heritage and an interesting history. It is the site of the first television station in Africa, the home of Nigerians' first university, the University of Ibadan, and also Nigerians' first skyscraper, the Cocoa House. With its recent sprawling population, existing agricultural potentials, and heavy commercial promises, Ibadan is definitely a fast-growing city. Of the thought of settlement, this beautiful and peaceful city should never pass by your book of tourism destination, as it is well known for its remarkable museum, its botanical and zoological gardens, several art galleries, game centers, historical locations, amusement parks, cinemas, restaurants, amidst several other things encompassed in this golden city. Welcome to the beautiful city of Ibadan. I would appreciate that you give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. My first visit was to the Agodi Gardens, popularly known as the state-of-the-art botanical gardens, which sit majestically on over 150 acres of green land. Located at the Parliament Road at the feet of Mokola Hills, this beautiful garden was created in 1967, but then it got destroyed by the Ogunpa flood disaster in 1980. Most of the animals inside of this garden were swept away by the heavy flood, and then it makes me wonder, I hope this animal didn't end up in people's house. Anyways, the garden was renovated in 2012 and then reopened to the public in 2014. And let me tell you this is definitely one beautiful recreational facility which offers several attractions like the water park, the lake, mini zoo, play areas and ride for children, picnic area, lush greenery, restaurant, horse riding, and more. If you come here, one thing I can guarantee is 100% fun. Everything about this place is so lush. Beautiful lush garden, so beautiful, so relaxing, so green. I mean, upon entering the place, I felt so relaxed, so at peace. Nice scenery, very beautiful place, nature at its best. And it makes me wonder, why do people say there are no fun places in Ibadan? Beautiful things about this place is that they have several food vendors, and I decided to go with palm. Yes, I love fresh palm wine, and I decided to have it with grilled fish and chips. And of course, whenever I want to create good content, I always drag a friend, and today it is Tare. Hello.
ìyàwó bàbá jọ ọlọ́dà kó ní wọ́n bá yá sáyé o ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń bọ̀ ọmọ ọmọ rẹ̀ ojú tó
My next visit was to the Mapo Hall at the Oje area of Ibadan. This hall sits on the Mapo Hills, one of the 7 hills that made up the geographical location of Ibadan. This is not just an ancient building, but an historical landmark that tells a rich story of the people of Ibadan and the administration of the colonial leaders. It is a symbol of hope, strength, and unity. This hall was built by the British government during the colonial era. It was commissioned by Captain Ross in 1929 and declared open by His Excellency Sir Graham Thompson on the 5th of October 1927. In the time of Shinyobola Ladigbolu, the Alaafin of Oyo, and Oyewole Bahale of Ibadan. It was then renovated in 2006 by the Oyo State government under the administration of Otumba Christopher Adebayo Alawakala and commissioned by the former president Olusegun Obasanjo on the 6th of September 2007. The motive of this hall was to have a building where all administrative papers are carried out daily. This hall currently serves 3 major values, which are political values, cultural values, and social values. This hall has remained the Southwest geopolitical meeting point and a center for all government administrative tasks. It is also the point of political rallies and other political events. Secondly, it serves cultural purpose. This is the official event center for coronation when a new Oba assumes office. And it is also the major gathering point for other festivals such as Egungun Festival, Okebadu Festival, and more. It also serves the social values as this hall has become a great space for events such as weddings, burials, and other social functions. And lastly, it has become a great tourist attraction center. So when next you are in the city of Ibadan, do not forget to visit this hall, get great pictures, and make nice videos.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with this old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Located in the heart of Ibadan along the Dugbemokola roundabout axis is the Topfat Art Gallery right inside the Lake and Salamis complex at Damasigba Road. Visiting an art gallery is one of the things that makes me happy because art inspires my visual imagination and gives me a new level to creativity. I think art is one of the reasons for our existence. In fact, the word is art. I visited the Topfat Art Gallery to keep my mind engaged while on this little trip. And I can tell you for a fact that this is an outstanding gallery that engages your soul, mind, and imagination with beautiful contemporary West African artistry.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. It looks like
Looks like what?
yeah, the head. Yes, yes. I'm not really like
This is a proper Nigerian woman.
yeah.
The African woman. Yeah, I feel like at the back. Okay, on it. Oh.
Right?
So is it that do they work with you? If someone wants to buy this painting now, you now be the one to contact the artist.
Exactly. No, not really.
Okay.
If they want to buy it, we already know the price.
Okay.
Some paintings are not once in a lifetime.
They can do it
The
again.
ones inside there, they are not. but there are some like this.
Something like this one, Abby?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's amazing to see the myriads of talents from Nigerian artists. I tell you for a fact that Nigeria is an extremely blessed nation with tons of creativities. So when next you are looking to buy some really quality artworks, or you just want to visit an art gallery, then I will recommend Topfat Art Gallery because I believe it reflects taste, passion, interest, and beliefs in the world of art. And you should definitely check it out.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
My obsession with games and a beautiful relaxation spot took me to the Ventura Mall.
Ask my sister, my music travel no visa. Oh yeah, ask your sister.
One of the beautiful malls in Ibadan is the ultra-modern Ventura Mall, located at Samonda GRA, one of the elite areas in the city of Ibadan. This mall is easily accessible to places like the University of Ibadan, Aerodome Estate, Bodija, and some high-end hotels from places nearby the mall. This is a perfect location for relaxation and entertainment. But I personally love to visit the Cubes Arcade inside of this mall. It's a great spot for different kind of games, and it's about to go down. At the Cubes Arcade, there are several games like shooting, dancing, basketball, and more. Control cars, mini games, and educational games for your kids. Virtual reality games like the VR motorcycle, VR car racing, 9D pods, and more. Video games like the PS5, FIFA, Mortal Kombat, and more. There is also table tennis, pool board, hockey, bowling, and more. And you can get your coins for as low as 2,000 naira, depending on the games you want to play. And even if you choose to not play any game, this is a spot where you can just relax, order something like shawarma, hot dog, ice cream, enjoy the music and the people playing several games. But I decided to play games because I'm about to beat somebody. And that's the victory dance because we won. Well, not really.
Go.
What is a visit to Ibadan without the consumption of Amala?
I gon' make you Joe Dada. Show you get the power. Sweetie Pasi, Amala Ketu, Shinji Kagawa.
My next stop was Amala Skye, the most popular Amala joint in Ibadan, located at Bodija.
Everything I will show. Okoyemi the target. Give them plates.
Because a baby girl needs to refuel, and what better way to refuel than with Amala fele, gbegiri, ewedu, and ogunfe. Oh
green.
You are a barman. You're supposed to be a dinner man.
So guys, small Amala gist time here. I remember one time when I went on an Amala date with this soft cute boy. I even gave him my soft soft boy treatment here. I opened his water for him and it consumed all the Amala. And after we were done, I was like, oh yeah, come and go and meet my mommy. It's time for us to get married. And he was like, no, I don't want to follow Amala, babe. I want to follow Pizza Woman. And I'm like, fluently, it's not your fault. It's me that decided to trivialize Amala and say, let's go on Amala date. Well, I don't know what the story is, but moral of the story, when next you are in the city of Ibadan, do not trivialize Amala. Ensure you eat Amala and enjoy it to the fullest.
This is what your place should look like after you are done consuming a full bowl of Amala.
Guys, there is still so much exploring to do in the city of Ibadan. But if I were to put everything in one video, you will probably spend like 20 hours watching. So guys, watch out for the part 2 and maybe even part 3 of exploring the city of Ibadan. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and also like this video. Share with family and friends. Tell them about my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye.